Yes, I was on drugs. I'm not a lesbian. 6 years of hard work and nothing. And the dancers of late, the type of money they charge me for the TikTok, no be joke.
Step up in the party, place turn up, no bad energy, no mess up.
Hi, my name is Ovi, and I'm here to face the fans. Brave, strong, confident, lovely.
That's the way they're hungry, please go.
Alternative music, yeah, reggae music, lovers rock, any type of music. Yeah, I love music. So when I went to the studio with Kwekuafo, the producer, Maestro, and we had a little hangout, low-key party, NEC and things, sipping on things, and we felt like let's just give them like one party sound like that. The fact that we're having a low-key, party vibe. And then he came up with an idea, It just started from nowhere, Charlie. I don't know how it actually came about, but we just started jamming to something, and then we started picking vocals, started correcting lyrics, and then we just we edited a few of them, and then that was it. Oh no, not much, but I mean, I had to pay the producer and also give him a split, so it didn't cost that much, but the costing it cost me, we say, and the soldiers that worry me in the COVID time, the COVID time, but I had to go and do that song. I was bored at home and all that, depressed, so I had to go and, have, a little hangout and also work. I don't think I'll be putting anybody on that song. I don't know. I have not thought about that. But I see comments and people are going like, I should put Kelvyn Boy on it, I should put Stonebwoy on it. I'm like, okay. I've never really thought about it though. Every song I record is just like, it's my baby. But one thing about me is I record one song today, I love it. The next day, I record a different thing, and I love that one more than the one I recorded. So I think currently my most recent song is titled Aluta. It's my favorite at the moment. I listen to that song every time before I go for an interview or before I enter and I go for an event. Yeah, because it gives me time vibe like that. Yeah, it just gives me confidence. Before I go to the public, I face the public. None. That's the gospel truth. None. Not even one cedi. Yeah. 6 years of hard work and nothing. Because it's a purpose why I'm here. It's a purpose. You might not understand it, but I know why I'm here. It's not about the money at all. Making an impact. I know people say these things, but I just want people to hear my sound, be inspired, have a change of mind, heal. That is it for me. Because I don't have one cedi, but at the chop, they look good. How does that happen? I don't even know how. So there's a purpose. There's a reason why I'm doing this thing. And myself, I don't know. So I'm here, I'm just doing it because God lives in me and I'm doing it. Oh, for real, them if you see me dead. Them won't get me locked down. Small hangouts, sipping things, life, anything, everything, Sometimes the pain that I've been through, the pain in my heart, the fact that I've been, people doubted my abilities for a very long time. those things, they make her, they put out some kind of music, you know. And yeah, sometimes they break my heart too, so I they use them for music. So say, people won't go through the heartbreak way I go through. People go see, say, men are bad. It's not good for you. We don't care. I don't think I was this open and free. I don't think so. But when I went through it, I realized that life is short, very, very short. I have to be happy. Nothing has to stress me. If you want to stress me, I will stress you. So it has changed me a lot. You know, it has made me lovely and lively, and I understand people now. You know, nobody knows this, but I'm very hot-tempered. Hot, man. So right now I understand people, and I tone down. I try and, you know, be in their shoes. Yeah. So it has changed me in so many ways. I can't, if I want to talk about all that, I go chair. You know, you guys don't get that time, so. Yes, a bit. But I mean, when I spoke about it in Shush and previous sounds like Bless and Lessons that I released. I mean, I'm out of it. And so right now that I'm experiencing a lot of fun, I'm stepping out, going to clubs and pubs and chilling and going on trips. That one too can make the songs, you know, like party way. You know, I don't know what I'll go through in the future, but whatever I go through, I'm sure I'll put it in music. It has not really affected my type of music like that. But whatever I go through, I will put it in music. The fans cannot be able to open their minds and then listen to diverse sounds. That is a problem to me. Yes, and I wish I would jackpot and left you guys. I wish I would talk to Anobi from Ghana. It's because you guys are not supporting different type of sounds in this country. You know, I would love to help. I've been a dancer before, and I would love to help put dancers on when I'm doing my thing. I'm not sure I want to dance and make it like, you know, my career, but I want to put dancers out there. I've done a few, you might not even know. Yeah. And I think I'm really passionate about this autism. Yes. It's something that from childhood I wanted to do, and you know, and I met somebody who was also passionate about that. So I'm sure that would fix something for people like that. You know, they're not different from us. And also, you know, creating that awareness for mental health patients. I want to be able to pick up these people from the streets and get medications for them. You know, it's very expensive. And that's why they are left like that. You know, their families can't provide the money to help them. You know, and that's why they're on the streets. They've been abandoned. And that's something I want to also do in the future. Yeah, I know it's not about, but it's just for Adam. I need that support to help these people, get them off the streets. Some of them, they know they're sick. Small support, BKK. You know, get them jobs to do something. They have to keep going. It will take them away from all that is going on in their minds. You understand? So, it has. Truth be told, if I'm not sure I would have released YOLO, aside the fact that I realized that I might die, and I have to release that song so that people know that you actually live once. It's a bit mid-tempo, you know, and it can get the people dancing. That's all that, I don't know, but I feel like it's just a trend at some point. The whole TikTok thing of, you know, go away and people would want to sit down and listen to music that would, you know, help us reason, you know, well. Yes, dance is the dance era. Let's just allow. And the dancers of late, the type of money they charge we for the TikTok, no be joke. But what can we do? I mean, I'm just waiting for that day where we go do music where people go reason to say it no go be about dance and they no go charge we plenty. And the music will travel. I'm just hoping that they minyakra and TikTok they interim. Sorry. No one is your friend. Nobody is your friend. Maybe you go see me laugh, but you go house. I mean, the moment I go 10, no, girl, you not say oh yeah, you know, you see oh yes, you know. No one is actually your friend. No one. Yeah, then go smile at you like this, and then go choke you. Yeah. So that's it. So I don't know. I think I'm too honest, and so people don't like me. But anyway, I'll say it. I think, do we really have an industry? I'm asking. I'm throwing the questions back at our people. Do we really have an industry? I beg you, with all due respect, I'm just asking. I don't want to say much about it, but that's it. I feel like the togetherness for me, you know, one. It no day. So there's something. No, we're not there together. Maybe other people then get industry, but Ghana, I'm not sure. I'm sorry to say. I'm sorry to announce to all of you, there is no industry. Yeah. Blacko, not because he has the bars right now, but I listened to his album. I'm sure it was, I think some time back, somebody said that he should try and do songs with me. I feel like there's something we have in common. I don't know. I think he's harbored so much. The pain inside of him is similar to what I've also. I feel like we can do projects together. Trust me, we can. And funny enough, the producer who recorded the first sermon, Ghanaian Stallion, he reached out strangely. So it means that he's seen something that's inside of the guy, and that same thing is inside of me. So we have to try and work together. Yeah. If you are listening to me, please. We have the same producer, you know that. Sam Snee is our producer. Please, let's do this for the people. Let's heal the world. It's not about the money, the bars, whatever, and all that. Let's give them something. Even if I know boss up, I don't mind. I just want to create with you. Yeah. I just shared Nasi's new song, Aseda, and that song, I don't know, man. That song is just everything I need right now. Today, like right now. You guys will play for me. Yeah. Because I'm just full of Thanksgiving right now. And I think I would want to do a song with him because he's not, I think he's not boxed. Nasi is just, aside from that, I would want to do a song with this woman. I forget the name, but in the song be, I will name my coach, Nyami. You know, my oh Sunday. Tinny Thompson. Tinny Thompson, right?
That's old.
Yes, that song. I would definitely want to remake that song with that lady. Yes. I know why I'm saying that, because it was... I went through an episode and I was on medications, and throughout, that particular song was what I was singing. I was singing that song throughout. And I go wake up early in the morning, take my medications, and it makes me very hyper and very vulnerable. And I play that song, and I go about my I don't want to tear up. I'll be gangster. I don't tear up like that.
What's that one thing you won't do for clout or fame?
Hey. I won't come and insult anybody for fame or clout. No, I don't think I'll do that. I know go J body. No matter what you go do. There was a time that this industry person was like, this industry, you don't have to look this way. You have to like show skin a bit. To show skin a bit. And in my head, I was like, the people where they show skin, how far them at this moment? How far? It's not about that. I don't think it's about that. It's about the talent, the impact you're making. It's not about cloud stuff. Be like, that's what you need right now to trend, to be in the faces. But no, let's not focus on those things, man. Let's not do that. I'm a bit shy, so I did look down. It wasn't the worst rumor. I mean, no matter what you go do, they're going to talk about you. I've heard a lot of things about me. Yeah. I've heard a lot. We did here, some things they want our minds inside right now, where you've heard about me. But, I mean, Adeku, I think it's the fact that they were like I was on drugs. Yeah, drugs, I was on drugs, but I was on a lot of medications. You have no idea. I needed it to recover. Now what I go do? You know? So yes, I was on drugs. But not the kind of drugs you think. Not, people were like, I'm a junkie. Hey, hey, if I was your sister, would you say that to me? So, I'm facing the fans here. Yeah, would you say that to me? You wouldn't say that to me, you know? You guys should take your time in judging people. And aside from that, they're like, I'm a lesbian. I'm a lesbian, eh? Okay, I mean, it's all part of, you know, this whole showbiz thing. It's okay, they have to talk about you. Yeah, they have to talk about you, but I'm not a lesbian. Even if I am, what is your problem? Mind your business. I think I'll do that for Chronics. I'll do a 5-minute set before he comes. If I'm supposed to close, I think I'll do for Drake. And the taste too high. Hey.
To the universe.
Universe, no. They know it.
Yeah.
They know it. It will happen. I'm not just saying it. I mean, because it's going to happen, that's why I'm saying it. Yeah. It's not because I did take them, no. It's going to happen. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. All right? So take pictures with me right now. Because it's not going to be easy for you guys. I'm already like, I'm beginning to love her. The arts, man, I'm a big fan. I saw her and then I was starstruck. Yeah, this is weird. I was shaking. That's a big thing. Not because she did go, but same way, I mean, I've seen her more and I understand her more and her arts more. So, I mean, She's my favorite right now. And aside from her, I think Lila Ike. She's crazy. Her vocals, her vocal range. Yo, it's not a joke. I look up to these people right now. Yeah.
Make it go gaga. Tell a DJ make it bring you right back.
You see, I'm sticking to Indomie. I know quite 20 Ghana, but Charlie. I don't know. Of late, I cook at home, so I don't cook. I cannot cook. Nobody should call me for a cooking show, please. But I don't know. I think, and Kinky to be my go-to. Kinky, maybe 5 CDs now. Yeah, Charlie. Wow. I ate Kinky at UPSA somewhere. Opposite Mikesh. Charlie, 60 Ghana CDs. Kinky 3. Shrimps, fish. So, no sausage. This is it. This is the menu. Bro, 60 CDs. I was shocked. But I mean, I love Kinky. Kinky, Jinami mu fine. Nami no musiogu sosa for the day. So, yeah. There are great dancehall and reggae artists here. We're just not paying attention to them. We're paying attention to Afrobeat, just Afrobeat. So of late, and I'm a piano. If you release music where you know call them Afro reggae, you know be part. Forget. But they are great. There's Reina. There are lots of reggae artists, Conqueror. It's just because we're not paying attention, you know. We're just not paying attention. It's about you guys. You guys are not paying attention to. And reggae be something where they want a gospel inside. Reggae be the roots. Oh man, it's sad. But it will get better. I mean, somebody has to lead the way, make that change. And I'm sure that we're going to win Grammys with reggae and all that. You see, I feel it's coming. You know, I feel it coming. Yeah, me like this, I'll be Afro reggae dancer artist. I'll be Afro reggae dancer artist. You know, you can call it Afro fusion. There's Reina. The rest I cannot remember. But there are lots of them. There are lots of them. They are there. Oh. They are there. Like there are lots of them. I can't mention their names right now because there's a lot going on in my head right now. Yeah. So far, just these two, I've known them for a while. I've met them. I know how they create and I know how serious they are. And yet we're not paying attention to them. Why? That is not fair. You see, we don't give chances to female artists in this country. You know? But women, if women decide to put themselves in something, they put their entire self into them. But then look at us like, maybe shoddy. You know, if you do them. Why is it like that? Y'all for change your minds about women. You know, I have heard a lot of people say that, a lot of females say that, you know, some producers wanted to, you know, have sex with them before they give them, you know, a slot or a chance to do something. But not be me. You know, if you take that income, I thought. You understand? I mean, I'm a grown-up, I'm not young. If I decide to do something new, it's because I wanted to. You understand? Not because you forced me. So, but women need to be given a chance. We are so strong. If we go feel born, that be their boyfriend. If you go feel born baby, yeah, you can imagine what we can handle, what we can take. So just give us a chance, please. Give us a chance, please. I mean, I've been to shows where they're like, I mean, my own friend, me, he tell me for my ESA, this one, be in bagro, and colagro. We're going for Afrochella. Yes, we're built together. I was going to perform before him, and he entered. I mean, I was like, I'm waiting for him so that we do a set. We perform together. And he said that into my ears before climbing. We engen colagro, we engen bagro. That thing, it's been like 4 years ago, and it's always in my head. Always in my head, it go fee even break me and make a few say I no go fee even do like the men they do. It's so horrible. I mean, women are strong. That's all that I can say. Women are strong. We are very intelligent, and we should be given the chance. Maybe I'll go be president for this country, safe. Soon come. That's basically what I have to say about this whole thing. I beg you, my fans. Hey, don't be doing something else. I don't know why Doomso they come my head with Ghana though. I don't know why, but of late to be better. Okay, sorry, let's go. I should say more with Ghana. Overrated. Hey, something nearly come out of my mouth. Let's skip this question. I'll tell you later. Myself. Yeah, I look at so much, Charlie. Original version. Hair like Ovi, man. Bob Marley. Ovi. Cyberbullying. Therapy. Both, please. Logic. Text. My voice is too sexy. Yeah. You know that already. Full phone battery, I beg. Full phone. Yeah. Okay. Billion times I said it. Show them, yeah, they go so ready and wait. Make a many. Yo, hi. Original version. I just faced the fans.
When we step up in the party, please turn up. No bad energy, no mess up. That's where they hungry, please go chop. Cause we they come here, oh na na na. Put up your light up, put up your cup. Why you no go dance when you talk for the wall? Boy, you will get low, more dancer. Voice which you sound non-stop. Tell a DJ make you bring it right back. Obi vibe, you they feel it like that. The way I do, nobody do it like that. Got the machine, make we go gaga. Tell a DJ make you bring it right back. Obi vibe, you they feel it like that. The way I do, nobody do it like that. Got the machine, make we go gaga. Rasta Jenny one rosy, they come kill 'em. With the party on the low, make you come feel 'em. Rasta Jenny one rosy, they come kill 'em. With the party on the low, make you come feel 'em. Please go, yo. Keep your eyes on the road, yo. Make you know me go then slow. And your side, your bed don't go. Green, please go. Keep your eyes on the road, I know. Make you know me go then slow. If you know, then you know. Tell a DJ make you bring it right back. Obi vibe, you they feel it like that. The way I do, nobody do it like that. Got the machine, make we go gaga. Tell a DJ make you bring it right back. Obi vibe, you they feel it like that. The way I do, nobody do it like that. Got the machine, make we go gaga. Rasta Jenny one rosy, they come kill 'em. With the party on the low, make you come feel 'em. Rasta Jenny one rosy, they come kill 'em. With the party on the low, make you come feel 'em. Tell a DJ make you bring it right back. Obi vibe, you they feel it like that. The way I do, nobody do it like that. Got the machine, make we go gaga. Tell a DJ make you bring it right back. Obi vibe, you they feel it like that. The way I do, nobody You only live once.